What's going on, YouTube? Sadly, 2014 had to come to an end, but 2015 is here. What up? My 2014 year, there was a lot of ups and downs, but I'm looking forward to this year, especially to making more vlogs. Speaking of vlogs, something that you guys should check out are pop sockets. So yeah guys, I got my phone case right here. I use my phone to record videos. I think just taking off the case would be easy enough to show you about the pop sockets. So the pop sockets right here, the company recommends you to use 2 of them, but I feel like one's already good enough. So as you can see, this is the pop socket right here. It's not that thick, and when you put it in your pocket, you can barely feel it. And it can open up twice. It goes 1 level up, and then another level up. I think the first level is for wrapping your earbuds around, but I really just fully retract it. So let's get to your uses. So use number 1, you can take better selfies. Like what? Hands free. I mean, our phones are getting bigger and heavier, and it'll be just nice that you don't really have to hold these cameras. So just having to just hold it by 2 fingers is actually really nice. Use number 2 is that you can use it as a stand to watch your shows. I've ran into a lot of situations where I want to watch my anime, but I don't want to hold up my phone, so this guy is actually really nice just to hold up my phone. And those are pretty much the 2 main uses. A lot of times I like to fully retract it and hold it like a gun, or sometimes I like to hold up my phone and use my other hand to use the touch screen, or I can just show my friend, hey, you want to see this? So it's just a lot easier than just holding it like this because your fingers get in the way. Another thing I like to do is I like to put my phone down and just play with it. This gets mad addicting. I gave my friend a pair of these and he said it was probably the best gift that he's got for Christmas, so I mean possibly next year's gift, birthday gift, anniversary gift. If you guys click somewhere here, I'll provide the link to the Pop Sockets trailer so you guys can check out all the crazy uses that they got people to use it for. But I mean, those are the main uses I like to use them, and really it does make an impact in my day, so I mean, you guys should really check them out. So yeah, right there, that was my quick recommendation of why I love Pop Sockets. Show my friends these Pop Sockets and all of them love it, so I'm pretty sure you guys will learn to love them too. And I don't work for Pop Sockets, I just love their product. So I hope you guys have a good 2015 year, and stay tuned for more vlogs.